Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California. All right, today we're going to talk about relationships and more specifically what you can do to change your relationship for the better in the course of 1 week. That's right, 1 week. Now that doesn't mean that it's going to be perfect and everything's going to be fixed. This is about putting it on an upward trajectory with this one tool. All right, so here's how this came about. I get a lot of messages and emails from you guys on my channel or on the blog. And one of you asked me, hey, it looks like you and Oliver have a really great relationship. We've been married for 16 years. How do you do that? Like, what's the secret, basically? Okay, so truthfully, I kind of started thinking back to the beginning of COVID when we were just annoying the freaking crap out of each other. So annoying. He was out of his office, obviously, and he had taken over my office here at the house, and we were just in each other's space, and he was coming out interrupting me, but he wanted to say hi, and it just started to get like a toxic environment. There was disharmony in the home. Okay, so here's what I did, and this is the tool. You can't control other people, but you can control you. I started to focus on catching him doing something good each day, and I voiced it, all right? So I would catch him doing something good 3 times a day. That's what I committed to. And it could be something big in general, like, hey, I really appreciate that you provide such a nice life for us. Thank you. Or it could be something like, you look cute today. Blue's a good color for you. I like that. It kind of makes your eyes pop. Or it could be something really small, like, thank you so much for emptying the dishwasher. That's like my least favorite job to do, and I really appreciate that you did that. All right, so just like little things that are genuine, and watch the energy in your relationship start to turn. And I found that the more I let go of the little annoyances, started to focus on the things about him that I appreciated, the better I felt because I'm putting out positive energy, the better he felt because he feels appreciated and he's feeling the good energy come out from me. And he started to do the same back to me, right? And so that's really all that it is. I mean, it sounds really simple, but if you believe in the law of attraction and putting out good energy in order to create more of a harmonious environment, you know exactly what I mean. All right. Here's what I want you to do over the course of the next week. Commit to 1 week and commit to finding 3 little things a day that you appreciate about him and voice them. All right. I usually try to spread them out throughout the day, maybe morning, afternoon, evening, and they're just little tiny things. Commit to that over the course of the next week and feel how the energy in your home starts to place itself on an upward trajectory. Now, of course, you don't have to do this with a spouse. You can certainly do this with family members. It works amazing with even coworkers. If you have annoying coworkers, it works just as well. But that's the technique, all right? Catch them doing something good. Comment below, try it, let me know your results. And for anything health, wellness, beauty, style, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.